What's up, guys? It's your boy Bluminati Ninja here, coming at you today with a Kizer. That's right, it's the Kizer Hiccup. But it's also the button lock Hiccup. You have the option to throw in a thumb stud there, button lock, smooth, very smooth operation. I keep trying for a liner lock, and it's not a liner lock. Flipper tab. Extremely stout. Holy cow, that thing is stout. Deep carry pocket clip, and it's reversible. Got your flipper tab. Nice little bit of jimping there. Helps catch. And I keep trying for a liner lock. Wake up, ninja. Middle finger flick. Thumb flick, easy peasy. So the Hiccup comes at us with Richlight scales. That's what they're calling it. Weighs about 3.25 ounces. That's right, I am a certified scale. No, just kidding. Blade length of 3.1 inches, and we can check that real quick. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty close. We've got 154 cm steel. Very nice. And my dog just barked. Definitely recommendable knife. I like this thing. It's very nice, very smooth, very glassy. Not as smooth as the button lock feldspar, but it is definitely up there. And the jimping on the back goes all the way up, so you can choke up way up here. Just keep your finger off the edge of the blade there. You don't want to get bit. Of course, this came centered beautifully. See if I get it to focus. And the button has some nice texturing to it too. Nice tactile feel. Definitely check it out. You can get it off Amazon for right around 80 bucks. That's for the Richlight, black Richlight handles. And they've also got a micarta version. It's a green micarta for a little bit more, 82 bucks. Definitely check it out. Kizer Hiccup. I'd recommend this knife. I like it a lot. As always, check out the EDC Roundtable, Lancelot Leather, Forrest Hanks, Hawaii Knife and Gear, Maestranza Blades, and of course said Stevie. Check them all out there at edcroundtable.com. Check out Miss Kara, Tri-State River Valley Creations on Instagram. Check out wickedgesture.com for some kick-ass shirts. Show some love to the men and women in blue at makepeacewithpolice.com. Much love to our military. And with all that, Bluminati out. Peace.